So here's what happened. I'm out driving about a block and a half, or sorry, about a half a block from my house. I mean, I just got into second gear, and bang, boom, and then this happened. It doesn't do it quite as loud when you accelerate, but when you decelerate, you get that damn noise. I had a look, and it all seemed fine to me. Sounds like it's like something's rotating, and it broke off. And it used to be here. When it broke off, it's here now. And when it rotates, it hits a piece of metal, or it's hitting something anyway, something hard, metal, steel, hard, something. Only happens when I decelerate. And it took off the diff cover without realizing, oh shit, I don't have any oil. So it's the kind of oil he has. 85 140 is gonna have to do for now. Damn it, whatever. But it's all good inside here. No big chunks. A lot of metal filings. This is a Dana 31s. I thought maybe I chipped the spider gear or something. No, it's all good. Nice surfaces, nice contact. The plug was just caked in like a silver paste. So much metal filings was in it. Probably hasn't been serviced since factory. I had all fours in the air. It's in four-wheel drive full time. I spin the back tire there, either one. They both spin the same direction like a lock differential. And then this front tire spun too. I can't remember the direction, but it spun. And this one did not. So I said, oh, okay, what the hell? Came up here, spun this tire. It spun that one in the opposite direction. Then I spun that one, and it spun that in the opposite direction. But it didn't move the back tires. And it also didn't move the front drive shaft. I'm not quite sure what's going on. I know four-wheel drive works. So anyway, that's confusing me. I think I might lift it up in the air again and spin the tires and see what the other side of that differential looks like. Oh, I didn't find a thing. Let the tires up. It's all normal in there. Spin this tire one way. That one spins the opposite direction. Didn't find a thing. Lots of clunking, you know. Check the U-joints. Check the tie rod ends, ball joints, upper control arms, all that shit. You know, I think when you're working on vehicles, it's the damn light that just gets you. Fucking light. Never likes to stay put. Well, this is the ZEDJAY with the AX15 swap, if you haven't noticed. Went bang, half a block from my house. There she is. It's two spider gears, broken in the same place, same tooth. And the ring gear is chipped everywhere right here, except that tooth and that one. Other than the chipping, that doesn't matter. It's in good shape. And the spider gears, of course.
Oh, those are in great shape.
Clean it up a bit. I'm gonna weld it. My friend is going to weld it for me. Right here, 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 and here. And on the other side, right to the center. Just temporary. I'd like a lock diff permanently, but I do on-road driving, and I think I might get fed up with it. Yeah, I called Dynatrack. They quoted me $9,000 for 2 Dana 44s. And I want to do a leaf spring swap. Here's the diff cover. Scratched up pretty bad. Just used carb cleaner to clean it out, not brake cleaner. So we're just going to heat it up now. for better penetration, and weld it. Yep.
What the hell is that?
She's a bit smoky. That's probably the carburetor cleaner. Let's read the label.
That's not. Let's get the other side. I think I missed that here.
Got a flame in the bottom there. There you go. You now have a locked diff. I had a locked diff in the first place. Track lock is so stiff. Okay, my friend has finished welding. This is what she looks like. Now we're gonna fill it up with oil. Wipe that out first. But it's good. Locked diff.